Welcome to the session on engineering graphics. In this session we are going to see the isometric projections of cone and the cylindrical slab using software method. So in the previous class we had seen the orthographic projection of this, direction of beam or enclosing of this like this. So we'll be having the circle enclosed by the square. So if it is circle of 80, it will be enclosed by square of 80. If it is circle of 50, it will be enclosed by square of 50. Then we had seen the manual drawing here. Okay, so it is little bit complex in the software, but when you are drawing it manually you will be able to get all the arcs correctly. So you do try and do it. And now we are going to see the software method. In the software method, first we have to start with the square. Okay, so get the square that is of 80 mm length. Okay, 80 mm. Then from here again it is 80, angle is 150, then again 80, angle is 150, and connect it back. So you have got the square here. Okay, so this is the square you have got. Now when you are drawing the isometric projection of circle using the software, you don't have to draw the lines here. Instead you can use the software commands. Okay, so you go for arc by 3 points. Okay, so arc by 3 points. So first one center of this, third one is the tangent. Okay, so see, and similarly center of this, and tangent. Okay, so like this you will be able to get it. You have to click on the correct one, center, and tangent. Okay, and similarly again this center, and tangent. Okay, so click correctly, or you can click on the end points as well. So like this. On this side also this point, this midpoint, and this tangent. Okay, so see, it is ready now. Then from this point, see, from this midpoint you have to take it as distance of 20. Okay, so 20 is the slab thickness. Then you have to select these 4 arcs. Okay, select these 4 arcs, go to move, copy on, lift from this point and place it here. Okay, so see, now if you connect from this center to this center, you have got the isometric projection of the cylindrical slab. It is simple when you are doing using software. Okay, so once you do this, then further you have to get another cylinder here. Okay, so that cylinder circle here, that circle is a circle of cone. Now already you have got this. Okay, so this circle you have got, this is of 80. Now you have to make it of 50. Okay, so first we'll get the center of this. Okay, so see, from here to here we'll get the center. Then we'll select this entire circle or the ellipse, which is the isometric projection of circle. Then we'll go to the scale. We'll have the copy of this. Okay, so we'll have the copy of this from this center. Okay, and the scale factor would be 50. That is the actual dimension of the base of the cone, and we have it is 80, so 50 divided by 80. If you do this, okay, you will be getting this. Okay, so this you have to place it at the center. Okay, so this cone what you have got. So again, if you draw the line of this kind, and if you get the center of this. Okay, so now you go to move. Okay, so go to move. From this midpoint you place it here. So see, the base you have got it. Okay, so once you get the base, you have placed it here. Now from the center of this, base, what is the height for the cone they have given? That is 60 they have given. Type 60 vertically, and then draw the tangent to this. See, tangent symbol you should get. You will be getting tangent symbol here. Okay, so once you get the tangent symbol, click it. Same way on the other side, when you get the tangent symbol, you click. So see, this is the software method where you will be having very less number of lines. So further you can trim the remaining lines, and you can keep only the lines which you want. So those lines I'll trim which are not required for us. So all the lines you can trim it off. all these lines are not at all required. Okay, so whichever line we don't want, we can trim them off. So this also, if you want to trim it, you can trim it, but let us keep it at least one of the construction lines. We have to choose some of the construction lines. Okay, so we'll be keeping them as thin lines. Okay, then this line also we don't want, but we can have the axis of this. Okay, so somewhere like this we get the axis, and this you can shoot as a chain type thin line. Okay, so this is the axis and this is a cylindrical slab. For that you have got the code. So once you complete the things, okay, so we have to scale it down first. Okay, so select this entire thing, okay, and go to the scale factor using scale command. Scale command you have to use it. So you have to use the scale factor at 0.8164, enter it. It will be scaled. We don't want the copy, just we want to reduce it, just place it, and this is the final solution what you are getting. And if you check the axis, you'll get to know that it is isometric. Okay, so this is isometric 60. You have get it and you have completed. So this is the isometric solution using software, and at the end you can see show this line with angles with respect to horizontals like this, and you can complete the solution. Thank you.